I am Ankur Jain, founder and CEO of Udyogantra Technologies. We are an Industry 4.0 company based out of New Delhi in India. We are bringing in the power of Internet of Things, machine learning and artificial intelligence to try to solve few of the biggest challenges in the areas of supply chain and manufacturing. There is a big digital gap between the supply and the demand in the food industry. I'll explain you the gap that I am talking about. EdTech is a good example for us to understand. As the world of education moves online, it's not just about physical classes moving online. There's a whole new evolution of the content delivery and the format. Supply chain and the supply chain infra of education had to evolve with the change in demand. It had to recreate the interaction of physical classes in the digital world. Restaurants are going through existential crisis. COVID has just accelerated the inevitable actually. Let me explain this to you in detail. My favorite restaurant is my favorite restaurant because the food plus experience plus the ambience that it provides. Can the restaurants do something to recreate that experience and create a differentiated delivery? Can the restaurants do something so that the small things that they did to enrich my experience, those moments of truth, can those be digitized? When I order my favorite soup from my favorite restaurant, how can I be sure that it will be as hot as it used to be when I used to go for a dine-in? When I order food from a delivery-only restaurant, we call it ghost kitchens or cloud kitchens. I have actually never seen their restaurant, never seen their chef, never seen their infra. How can I be sure of the quality and the safety standards of the food? My dear restaurants, we have something very exciting for you. Something that digitizes the quality, quantity and traceability of the food and your food making process so that you can take the trust of your dine-in and the experience of your dine-in to your customers in a delivery format. Introducing Smart Food QC from Udyogantra.
So let us see how does Smart Food QC standardize the quality and quantity before delivery from a restaurant. The chef puts the baked pizza on the platform and initiates the check. Within a couple of seconds, the pizza quality data is captured and compared by AI. It will be approved for delivery only when the pizza meets the prescribed standards. Smart Food QC also captures the image of the chef who has made my pizza through facial recognition and digitizes the same as well. Now imagine the confidence the customer gets when he gets to see this food quality and safety data on his iPad before he gets the food. Chef and a smile add to the personalization of this delivery experience and the touchpoint. By ensuring that every food and beverage is passed through the Smart Food QC before being delivered to the customers, the restaurant can be sure that the food and the beverage is at the right temperature, right quantity and has been packaged and assembled in a prescribed customer experience standard. Problems like cold food, inadequate quantity will be a problem of the past. Again, you see, there is a huge trust that gets developed at the customer and on you as a food brand when he or she receives the food or the beverage quality and safety data live before the delivery itself. The cloud dashboard of the Smart Food QC is a real-time and full visibility of your entire food manufacturing operations across kitchens and locations, with predictive inventory and demand forecasting built into it. You can see how many meals are being served across your kitchens, what is the quality adherence metrics, how much costs are you incurring, and what margins are being made across kitchens and brands. The tool helps you pinpoint the precise state or store or chef or even the food brand which needs your attention for operational reasons. Even a 10% overfilling can impact your profitability in a big way. This tool helps you control your food costs and profitability directly. With this tool, you can now view the sigma levels of your pizza making process versus a coffee making process through process capability curves. Isn't it interesting? You can rate your kitchens and brands on defects per million. My kitchen is a Six Sigma kitchen can soon be a real claim. The quality managers and the operations managers can now inspect the performance and the live status to the granularity of each kitchen sitting at the comfort of their home and offices, basically from an iPad. You see, a surprise check is just a click away now.
If you want to know more about how Udyogantra can help you digitize your food experience for your customers, please do get in touch with us. Thank you.